So if you're a business owner and you've been wanting to create your own Giphy for branding purposes on Instagram or TikTok or Snapchat and you want to know how to do it, well, this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so what we have here is you have to have a couple of videos that you want to upload, a minimum of 5, because that's just what Giphy.com wants, because you have to create a Giphy account, and you also have to have an on-screen account, and of course you have your social media accounts. But so the way it works is, this is the video that I want to have it has audio, but I just don't have it going right now. So what I want to do is, actually the first thing you want to do is trim the video that you want to have as a Giphy. I think you can have 5 seconds of it. So what I want to do, I'm using a Macintosh computer, so I want to go to Edit. I'm going to go to Trim, and I'm just going to find the end points and the start points of this video. So I just want to get when I come in. I think it's right there. Let's see here. Yeah, right there. And snap. That's me. And then out. Okay, so I know that that's basically like right there. Hit Trim. It's going to ask me to save it. Alright, I want to save it as new clip. You can name it whatever you want. It's going to be put on the desktop. Alright, it's going to save it. So, we have it right here. I'm just going to kind of get this out of the way because I don't want to confuse myself with the video. Now this clip, you don't want it to be too big. This clip right now, I believe, is in 4K. You actually want to cut it down to, say, 2660 and a .264. Don't worry about that. It's just a coding thing that Apple does, or any other kind of software for editing videos does. And to do that on the Mac, you just hit the left control button, go to encode. Okay, so this is at 4K, and I want to get the file size down small so that I can upload it to unscreen.com. All right, so let's go ahead and make it to 264.61. Hold on a second. Now, if you don't know what file size you have or what the dimensions are, you can go to hit Control, and then you can go to Info. And I want to see here. No, okay, so it's in 4K right now. So what I want to do is take it down to H.264. Now what that's going to do is just compress the file a little bit, but make it bite-sized so that unscreen will allow me to upload it. If you have a file that's too big for upscreen, then they're gonna reject it. So go ahead and do that, and you can see it made it right here. Now the way I know that it's the new clip is that it says .movie. All right, so after we get that, remember it's new clip. Hey, let's just do this. New clip 2.movie, just to make sure everything doesn't get confused. All right, so then what we're gonna do is go to unscreen.com, and you want to upload that same video that I just made, or that you just made. All right, and then you want to just wait a second. It's going to take a second to prepare, and in the meantime, just drink your coffee. By the way, if you guys have any questions at all about the process, maybe it's not working for you, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll respond usually within 24 hours. All right, so let this go. All right, so there it is. So now that unscreen.com has taken the background out of it, I can download that file. Now it's going to download it as a Giphy or a GIF, and it's going to be basically looks like a PDF with a bunch of different files or different pages, and you're going to use that to upload to Giphy.com. All right, so just to check if I got it somewhere. All right, maybe. Oh, did I even download it? I don't know if I even downloaded it. I'll close this out. All right, so click on download. All right, it downloaded it. All right, so let's see. It's right here, as you can see. And we're going to take that. I'm going to rename that new clip. You don't have to rename it. If you can remember it, then more power to you. So new clip to .gif. All right. So let's go back up here. Now we're going to go switch to Giphy.com. And this is the spot where you're going to be uploading your videos to your GIFs. And I don't know if I said this before, but this is where Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat pull all their GIFs from that you see on the platforms. All right. So I'm going to choose my GIF that I want. All right. And here it is right here. Hit upload, and there I am. Boy, I look good. All right. So now when you add tags, I'm going to put John Banner. These are all the tags. So whenever you go into your search, in your search on the phone to do TikTok or Instagram or Snapchat, these are what you're gonna type in the search bar. All right. So on John Banner, I want to put Cincinnati video creators. All right. Pierce Dental Group. These are just some of the tags that I would probably use this image for, or this video. And then you simply upload to Giphy. Now, if this is your first time using Giphy.com, they're going to make you upload 5 and you have to get approval, submit your account. It's really easy and pretty basic. If you don't know how to do that, then you probably shouldn't be making these Giphies. But so after a couple days, it may be 24 hours, 72 hours, then you can go online and actually see the Giphies once you type in these keywords, these tags. If you type in the tags in the search bar on your Instagram account, they'll pop right up. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And if you know of a better way to do this, because this is the way I do it right now, leave it in the comment section and help everybody out. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.